Hey traders, how you doing? How you doing? I hope everything is going just great for you. May pips be upon you. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. This 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 price action has caught my eye. Let's do a full breakdown. Let's go down to the up to the monthly. Excuse me. All right, and what do we see? I see higher lows, higher highs. Right? Looks like we are moving bullishly in this market. Now, I want to make note of the closest uh, order blocks. All right, on this monthly time frame, I got one here that caused price to turn here. Whenever I see a doji after a rally like this, I'm thinking that price is getting ready to turn, and then I look to the nearest bearish order block. All right, and you can see this bearish engulfer here, which signifies an order block. Right, this is identifies the order block here. And when you see that it was retested and price fell. So price fell aggressively from here. So this is how you identify a valid order block. Something where you see price, the order block, once it impulsed, it accomplished something. What did it accomplish? It broke these lows. All right. If it's just an order block and it has one candle beyond it, where it fell one candle, then it goes back up and everything, and then you see another order block, you're like, what did it accomplish? It didn't do anything. Okay, so that we have. Now I want to see where the bullish order block is that turn price this way. I look over here to the left. It's not very clear over here, but for me, I could see usually when you see a morning star configuration of a pattern, that's usually an order block on another time frame. Let's go to the 3 week time frame and take a look again. Let's go all the way over here. We see this bullish order block right here. I want to get that one in. Make sure you have it accurate. Okay, and I'm going to make sure it's colored right. All right, so we got monthly, so we can see price fell here in this bullish, and with bullish momentum, we see that price fell here, and it has popped up here, and it has formed a bearish order block in a bearish order block. All right, this bearish engulfer is the beginning of an order block. All right, we want to see how valid it'll be in a minute as it forms and as price falls from here. But this is always good to see a bearish engulfer at a bearish order block. Let's go to the weekly, take a look, see if we see anything clearer in the price action. Uh, we see higher high, higher high. Now, what I want you to notice is, do we have a possible head and shoulder situation happening over here? Because we want to see if price is going to transition from a bearish from a book. What is this? Yeah, from bullish momentum to bearish momentum, and this is where we see price transition. All right, at the order blocks, and this is starting to look like it's transitioning. Let's see if it's clearer on the daily. Yeah, we have the high, higher, and then not as high. Okay, so this could be a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and I'm looking for some follow through. And what would we look for in the follow through? One, we're looking for bearish order blocks. Is price going to maintain the bearish momentum? We got an order block here. All right, I want to make this clear and just get the outline so we don't have a bunch of stuff on the charts. God dog it, I got the wrong color. Uh, if I can just get it all together, man. If I could just get it all together. All right, all right. Now we have a daily order block here. All right, and price came down. All right, we formed another bearish order block here. Price has come up to retest this order block, formed another bearish engulfer at this order block, and this is exactly what you want to see. That's three in a row. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. All right, and that's letting you know price is maintaining bearish momentum. All right, now we have yet to run into a bullish order block in order to test this. Right, we're running into one right now, right here. Okay, price blows through that. Hey, man, looks like we have a transition of price. All right, what would let me know that uh, uh, this would be a great indicator to let me know that yeah, we are transitioning the price. I'd like to see lows broken by a an order block in order to validate them, to make to say that hey, this is a good order block. And this one got here equal to low, but came back up, and we are retesting this order block to validate it. And hopefully, we'll see these lows broken with this next impulse down. I'm hoping this will be the impulsing order block. Okay, let's go down to the 4 hour. All right, we can get rid of all of this. We already understand that prices look like it's transitioning. Okay, so let's see if we see anything a little bit clearer. Look, we have that transition happening again on the lower time frame. This is what we want to see. And what I like to see is the retest of that right shoulder so that I can take a short from there. This is where your entry would normally be. All right. And you will put it over the order block in which you enter. Now, this is on the 4 hour. All right. I wouldn't be entering on the 4 hour, but if you were doing swings, hey, it's still a good entry. This is the order block in which I would be entering on. This order block here. Excuse me. All right. This would be the order block I would be entering on. This is probably an 8 hour order block, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah. Look, you see it? A bullish bearish formation. This is a great and clean order block in which to enter. And let's make sure we have it there. Okay. All right. All right. I don't like a whole lot of mess on my screen because it'll tend to muddy up things, and I don't like having muddy things. Okay. Now, so we have this order block on the an 8 hour order block. You can take this down and take it to a higher time frame in order to set, if you're doing a swing, in order to set your TP. Here is a good TP1 or TP2, whatever you want to call it. All right. And I would think we would be good to go, if I'm looking at this. Yeah, I would probably take it down to this low here. See how price interacts at this level here as a support, resistance, support, and over here the same thing. That'd probably be my final TP right about there, and that would be good for about 474 pips. You know, that's if I'm doing swings. But what I'm giving you is the bias. All right, and we can obviously see that the bias is there. All right, we got a bearish engulfer here. I'm looking for price at this point. I'm looking for price to come up, retest this order block, and then fall, just like it would do here. Now, this one didn't quite make it up because there's a lot of bearish pressure from here. All right, but that doesn't mean price is not going to revisit this area, because I guarantee you it will. Maybe not now, but later on, because this is an untested order block here, and price doesn't like to leave order blocks untested. All right, but once it forms a bearish order block, price the next candle likes to test and then come down. So that's what I'm looking for, just like this one here. Right, test, next one comes down. Right, so I'm looking for that kind of follow through. Hopefully we break these lows on that test, and once we do, look for price to come back up to test this order block again, and then come down again. All right. I hope you benefit from this analysis. I hope it matches your analysis so that you can take a trade based on your own judgment. Okay. And if you like what I'm doing, do not forget to put a like on this thing, man. Put some likes on this, like spec on my name. All right. And make sure you subscribe to catch the updates. And if you like, take a look at one of the two videos that are on your screen right now for more of the same. I'll see you in the next video.